Exactly. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Zone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today, we've got an exciting review for you. We are diving into the world of plant-based protein with the Happy Viking cookies and cream plant protein powder. First things first, let's take a look at the packaging. Happy Viking has done a great job with this eye-catching design. It really stands out on the shelf, and the flavor, cookies and cream, sounds absolutely delicious. Happy Viking is known for their high-quality, plant-based products, and this protein powder is no exception. It's packed with 20 grams of protein per serving, all derived from peas and brown rice. Plus, it's vegan, gluten-free, and soy-free, making it perfect for just about anyone. Alright, let's mix up a shake and see how it tastes. I'm going to use 1 scoop of the protein powder, and I'll mix it with some almond milk. You can use any milk or milk alternative you like. Alright, moment of truth. Let's give it a taste. Wow, that is really good. The cookies and cream flavor is spot on. It's not too sweet, and it has a nice creamy texture. I could definitely see myself enjoying this after a workout or even as a meal replacement. Now, let's talk about the nutrition facts. Each serving not only provides 20 grams of protein, but also includes a blend of superfoods like spinach, kale, and broccoli. It also has probiotics for digestive health and no added sugars. It's a well-rounded option for anyone looking to boost their protein intake in a healthy way. Overall, I'm really impressed with Happy Viking cookies and cream plant protein powder. The taste is fantastic, the ingredients are clean, and it's packed with nutrition. If you're looking for a plant-based protein powder that doesn't compromise on flavor, this is definitely one to try. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find this product. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you've tried this protein powder or if you have any other recommendations for us to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay happy.